Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're going to be working with XrsBeauty. This is my second time working with them. Y'all know I love me a clear lace, so we're just going to get right into it. So they sent me two different samples. So this is a transparent lace. When you wrap it around your finger, you could obviously tell that it's there. You know, you'd have to put some type of foundation or something on it. Let me show you the difference actually right now. So obviously the top part is just the transparent lace, and then the bottom has a little makeup on it. It definitely is a whole difference. But the clear lace, y'all, the clear lace, come on now. Let's just wrap this part around my finger. So the middle finger is obviously the transparent lace, and the index finger is the clear lace. You can see that it just blends in with the skin so well. So I am ecstatic. Thank you XrsBeauty for sending me this. Here we go. So this is what it looks like. Dun, da, da, da. Love it. So it did come straight, but I one curled it because I want one curls, okay? So yeah, we're just gonna whoop it on. Okay, let's try this one more again. That was my fault. The wig cap was, I wasn't being secure with my wig cap, okay? Yeah, these curls I'm gonna have to fix because some of them, you see this falling out. But the curls gonna look so cute, y'all, just wait. All of this can get cut off. You're not even gonna waste our time and energy trying to put that down because it could all get cut off. This little part can get cut off too, hold on. Anything below the ear. I've learned that putting it below the ear makes no sense because your natural hairline, like people have sideburns, yeah, but they don't have hair, you know? You get what I'm saying? I feel like everybody should treat their wig installs like it's their first. And with me saying that, sometimes I get a little too comfortable and think like, oh, this cool, like what I'm doing is cool, whatever. Like I'll try to like kind of half-ass it because I think I know what I'm doing, and then it ends up looking crazy. So you just never, and I mean never, want to get too comfortable when you're doing a wig, especially on somebody else. Act like it's your first time and it's a celebrity and you really trying to impress them. I feel like that's a good narrative to go by, right? If y'all like, no, shut up. All right, we're back at it. I put one of these on my head, let it all soak in. And now we're gonna cut all this extra stuff off. You know, everybody's head's different, so not everybody's gonna have the same exact, you know what I'm trying to say? I don't know if I'm gonna cut this little part off. Like this part, that's not necessary. That could stay on me head. Y'all see that clean, pristine, shabba-labba-leem hairline? Y'all see it? I gotta fix some parts because you know I be cutting off unnecessary stuff sometimes. Now it's time for the edges. So I'm gonna do a middle part because with curls, actually, I'm gonna do a side part. I'm gonna do a side part because I did a side part the other day with my curls and oh my god, they just looked so cute. So we're gonna do a side part, yeah. Yeah. All right, now it's time for the edges for real. Oh, let me turn on my stuff. Have you ever plucked y'all real hair? I did it the other day. Oh my gosh, that hurt so bad. I would not wish that on my worst enemy. We're gonna use some, well, I put some olive oil on it, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of some mousse. I don't like the mousse in the final look, you know? I don't like it to look like that. It don't look right to me. I don't know. I don't be looking right. So we're just gonna do some mousse and then a tiny, tiny bit of Eco Gel. come to realize that I should just stop doing the edges, because clearly I can never get them how I actually want them to look. I mean, that looks all right, but like, come on. Come on, Christy, you could do better. Look at these curls. We're gonna fix them though. We're gonna fix them right now. Just give me 1 second. Even this would be cute how it is right now, but I want them nice, bold, luscious curls. Oh, and as you see, I did my makeup. I hope it looks good on camera. I hope I don't look too crazy. I feel like I look a little dark, but I don't know. We'll see when I upload it. I mean, if I look crazy, I look crazy. I'm just gonna state it now instead of putting a little slide thingy on the video or a little text thing. If I look crazy, I'm sorry. But yeah, I'm just gonna like go through again and just make all these curls extra fresh, and then we're done. I sprayed my eye. Oh my gosh, I sprayed my eye with this on accident, and now, oh my gosh, it hurts so bad. I'm gonna have to fix that when I'm done. That was not good. I ain't like that. I don't like that feeling. I'm about to take out this lash until I'm done. Oh my gosh, because I really just sprayed that lash and it was, whoo, burning. So we're done with that. I'm gonna put this pretty old lash back on. I just don't believe that I did that. But of course, I can't help but to not be like mess up in some way. You seen, well, you probably couldn't tell because it sped up, but I sprayed myself in the face with the Got to Be glue. That's just Chrissy's life for you. I gotta put this on, then I gotta fix my lip gloss again. So this is concealer mixed with pencil eyeliner, or no, pencil. I think I should shut the blinds, which is like, but I'm about to make a bunch of TikToks, take a bunch of pictures, look all cute stuff, and then that's gonna be it. Well, y'all not gonna see all that, but y'all gonna see the finishing product, which brushing this out is gonna be so cute. I'm just so excited. Like, I like when the curls sit overnight, but then I also like doing them fresh, because when they look fresh, it's like all my pictures be so bomb, okay? The lace is lacing, and it looks so natural. Like, it looks like it's coming out my scalp. I'm not used to seeing myself on camera with makeup on, so I feel like I look crazy, and I probably really don't, but that's just how I feel. And I need to stop playing this YouTube video because my phone definitely is on 16%, and I take pictures and TikTok. Time to brush out these curls. I can't. Every time, it never disappoints. Come on now. This part won't have to get flattened. But look how fresh and just like popping it looks. Oh, good. Can't wait to take my pictures. Can't wait to make my videos. Can't wait to do all that because it looks cute. Makeup's giving, hair's giving. I'm like in a rush. I want this to be hot right now. My daughter wanted to be in the room with me, but we're done, y'all. We're all done. What's it giving? Thank you to XrsBeauty for sending me this wig. It is beautiful. The clear lace is definitely clear lacing. Okay. And I love it. I can't wait to take my pictures and do these videos and get this wig out there because people definitely need to invest, honey. I didn't say it at the beginning, but this is a 20-inch and it is 200 density silky straight wig. Y'all seen the clear lace, you already know. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you want any of their information, it will be down below in the description. If you want to me, if you want to check out their website or anything, it'll be down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and hanging out with me. Give this video a thumbs up and make sure that you follow my social media at the end of the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.